What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Jorge and this is my Procharged Pontiac G8, and we've gone through quite a bit of changes since the last time you guys saw me. We were at the track with this thing, and I was using a 3.9 pulley around 12.5 psi. I've now upgraded injectors and gone down on the pulley to increase the boost. So we're going back out. I've been going back and forth with my tuner, and hopefully this thing runs a lot better. We're starting to reach the limitations of the 93 octane with that high boost and even the fuel system, but hopefully we can run some good times and maybe even get some 10s. If we can run some 10s, that'd be great. I'm excited. The weather's great here in Houston, and this thing is set up. I'm still doing a little bit of data logging back and forth, you know, last minute stuff, but hopefully everything will get dialed in and we'll run a really good time and start seeing some more progression. We've been going down every single time we go. Went from an 11.6 to 11.3, now hopefully that 10.0. So I'll see you guys when we get to the track. Alright guys, so we are at the track, at the staging lanes. So a car, I guess a Corvette, actually blew up right at the end of the starting line, so we're basically going to be waiting here a while. So we decided to just get on the lanes, that way the car cools down and it's ready for whenever we go out. And now to give you guys an idea of how good the weather is, we are actually at 600 DA. That is the best DA we have ran here at this track. So more boost, bigger injectors, more power. Hopefully that is going to be the recipe for a 10. Car's doing good. I've got the 355 pulley on there. When we did the data logs, it actually peaks out at almost 17 pounds of boost. But it should give me a healthy 10 to 15 pounds of boost throughout the whole run, and I'm excited, guys. It's gonna be great. This thing should run a 10, so fingers crossed that it runs this 10. Well guys, we are back from the very first run and it did not disappoint. Ran our best time ever, an 11.1 at 124. That's right. And now we are back again. We're at the staging lanes and we are ready to break that 10. It did spin its ass off at the line into second gear, so hopefully it doesn't spin and the tires hook. I'm gonna heat them up a little better now, and if it doesn't spin, I think we got ourselves a 10, guys. We got ourselves a 10. So wish us luck.
Damn, it still spun, but that looked good. Woo!
Man, guys, I think that was a good pass. I'm shaking a little bit. I think that was a good pass. Well guys, on to the second run. Still hot. Still getting a lot of heat. But I did run an 11.19 at 123, so basically the same time as the first run, but it's an 11.1, so that's a lot faster than I ran last time, which was an 11.3. So it still spun like crazy. I'm probably gonna try to take some air out of these tires, and then hopefully that helps, because my first gear is just useless, guys. I can't even, it's not hooking up. If it can hook, I think we can get that 10-second pass, but just gonna have to get our fingers crossed and hope that it'll hook.
a lot faster. Still spinning off the line, but it felt a lot faster. Wow. Ooh. Man. Woo.
Well guys, we are back home, and even though we had some great weather, some good DA, still can't get into the 10s. And you know, if it's not one thing, it's another. And this time we had the good weather, we just could not get the grip. I think we went down a little too much on the pulley size, and it's got a lot of low end boost and not enough suspension bits and tire to be able to hold that, unfortunately. So I'm debating maybe going up a pulley size to like a 3.7 and seeing if that'll help me at least grip, because if I can take off the line without spinning, the power is there. I mean, we actually picked up almost 3 miles an hour. So looking at our fastest time here, as you can see right here, the car ran an 11.12 at 124. I'm not sure if at what level you guys will be able to see it, but yeah, that's what it ran. It ran an 11.12, so 11.1 at 124. The car picked up about 2 to 3 miles or so from the last time that we were out. Still seeing some very high IATs. Intake temps are shooting up due to that, I believe, smaller pulley as well. So I think if we went up just one size and lost about a pound and a half, overall the car might run a lot better. So I might try that, I might not. You know, it's running great. The car is running really strong, really good. Feels good. I mean, you just punch it and it goes. So we'll see how that goes. I want to take it back to a dyno and see what it's making now with this amount of boost, and try to see what we get from that. But overall, the car is doing really well, guys. Did not get our 10s, but it's okay, because there's a lot of things that we can do to improve and make this car run better. And I'll make sure to let you guys know what we do and show you guys what we do to get this car to run better. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having a good one. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what do you think? Is that 11.1 a good time for this car, or do you think it should be running faster? Please leave that in the comments down below. In the next video, I believe I'll probably be uploading. I will be going to a dyno. There's sometime this weekend we have a dyno meet, and I will be taking the car there. So keep posted on the next video, because we're gonna put this thing back on the dyno here in Houston and see what kind of numbers it puts here on a dyno. So if anything, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, because there's definitely some more good content coming. Until next one, guys, you guys have a great one.